चलो, सब लोग कोचेस हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है। अभी अपना कहते हैं कराटे चॉप से शुरू करते हैं। इवन दो आई हैव बीन बॉडी शेम्ड
You've been body shamed
फॉर माई कलर, for my body shape, body size, my height. I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I was body shamed in the past, and somehow I accepted it as my truth. But I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I was body shamed a lot of times, and it made me feel bad at conscious level and sometimes at unconscious level. But I still choose to love and accept myself because I truly love myself. Take a deep breath, hold, exhale from mouth. Starting from the eyebrow point. This body shaming, this constant judging of my body parts, my body size, my body color. This was the conditioning that has been fed to me over years and years from my external environment. कभी फैमिली से आया, पेरेंट्स से आया, रिलेटिव से आया, सिबलिंग से आया, मेरे कल्चर से आया, और सब अननोन रैंडम फेसेस. But these conditionings were just conditionings. But ऐसा होता है कि झूठ भी ना बार बार बोला जाए तो सत्य बन जाता है, या कहा जाए कि सत्य सा लगने लगता है. So my body and my mind accepted them as truths. They were not truths, but somehow my mind felt this was my truth. And the day I started absorbing this information, these false conditionings from my environment, I started body shaming myself subconsciously again and again. And these episodes of body shaming started happening in my life on and off. And I thought ये मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता इन चीजों से. I thought, but I didn't realize कि बहुत ही deeply, secretively, ये मेरी self worth, मेरी self esteem, मेरे confidence को hurt कर रहे हैं. ये बहुत ही chronic चीज है. This is not acute. This is chronic poison. Chronic poison that was fed to me. एकदम से मारने के लिए नहीं, हल्के हल्के. It made me numb. I lost my confidence. Sometimes I went into depressions. I didn't realize कि इतनी छोटी चीज है ये और इतना बड़ी बर्बादी कर सकती है. मैंने बहुत छोटा समझा इन चीजों को. But for my body, it was about respect. It was about disrespecting my body. And पूरी दुनिया was doing it एंड बुरी बात ये थी कि आई वॉज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. दिस हर्ट्स द मोस्ट. टुडे I apologize to my body. Very sorry, body. And even though I've hurt you, I didn't side with you. Today, I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to love and accept myself and side with you. Stop now. Take a deep breath. And release. And open your eyes whenever you are ready. How do you feel now? Preeti, want to share?
Yeah, it was like very सारा कुछ लाइक मूवी की तरह जा रहा था और बहुत सारी चीजें रिलेट कर पाई.
एपिसोड भी याद आए, हल्की सी मेमोरीज फ्लैश हुई. आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा था कि ये इफेक्ट नहीं करती, लेकिन मैंने कहीं हल्के हल्के दीमक की तरह इट वाज ईटिंग माय कॉन्फिडेंस अप. एक और राउंड करते हैं, थोड़ा सा जो भी ब्रेम हुआ उसको करके, देन वी विल फिनिश द सेशन. ओके, टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ and release. Today, eyebrow point. Today, I have realized, I side with my body. From this point onwards, I will never leave the side of my body. I will never lose the connection. I have found it. Today, I will always make this connection a sacred connection. I won't be scared anymore. I have all the resources to go from scared to sacred. I have the right mindset now, right coaches, right environment, and everything is working fine for me. My healing is in the process, and I'm in divinely protected and blessed, meeting such people and releasing all these things. So I'm being guided always. I'm not alone in this, and I will get through this. And a large part of me has already been through it. वो कहते हैं ना, हाथी चला गया है, बस पूंछ बची हुई है. बस पूंछ जब होती है ना, इट कम्स टू अवेयरनेस, और ये पूंछ जब जाने लगती है तभी अवेयरनेस देखती है उसे. तो अभी तक तो हाथी था, हम नॉर्मल थे इन चीजों के लिए, लेकिन जब हाथी जा चुका है, सिर्फ पूंछ बची है, वो हमें बॉदर कर रही है. So I will give it time and all the care and never beat myself up कि जब कुछ चीज काम नहीं करेगी. Everything will work on time, in divine time. I just keep doing my work, and I will keep aligning with best of people, best of environment, and best of things. Because I am the best. I am beautiful. I'm so beautiful. I'm freaking beautiful, yaar. Look at me. So gorgeous. My smile, my face, and most importantly, not the outside beauty. And from inside, I'm such a gentle soul, serving people around me. एक चाह है मेरे अंदर लोगों को सर्व करने की, and this makes me more beautiful. This inside beauty, I let it now come outside and glow on my face. ये जो अंदर का मेरा सूरज है ना, जो रोशनी है ना, I allow it to come outside. I will never dim my light. I will never ever dim my light or conceal myself anymore. I will be seen. The world will see my power. The power of love that my heart has will glow on my face. My beautiful, beautiful face. Thank you, universe, for this beautiful opportunity, beautiful energy exchange, beautiful people, beautiful script in session. It's all so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now take a deep breath. Hold. And release all this body shape, all things blocking you, and come into your power. Thakte patte. And open eyes. Gently open eyes whenever you're ready. All set?